Alveo enters skincare with launch of Uncap. Alveo Pharmaceuticals has launched Uncap, a modern skincare brand offering 17 science-backed, nature-rooted products across categories like brightening, moisturizing, anti-aging, and anti-acne. Priced from Indian rupees 390, the range is available through uncapskincare.com and in 5,000 stores across 6 states. Designed for Gen Z and millennial consumers, Uncap combines global ingredients, clean formulations, and ethical practices. The brand aims to expand to 30 products by 2026. Report Bilkul Online.
I am Nilesh Dubewala, Managing Director at Alveo Pharmaceuticals, and today we are proud to unveil our brand new brand Uncap, which is aimed at modern consumers, targeting their skincare, their overall skin health, and their inner beauty.
What is special about your products?
Ma'am, our USP is that our products are made in India, all the research and development is done in India, and it is made at our own manufacturing facilities. We have selected and targeted ingredients from all over the globe. Some ingredients are being sourced from France, some are being sourced from Mexico, some from United States, some from Korea. We are bringing the best from all over the globe to India and are formulating the products locally here in India.
And how about proportion of organic and chemical composition of the products?
Most of the products, most of the ingredients are completely natural, but even if they are natural, they have been scientifically backed with clinical studies, clinical reports proving their efficacy and results.
And where all are you going to sell it, market it? Which
We are
states?
we are starting with the 6 states right now, that is Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Very soon we would be covering the entire country, and we are also planning to export the products to various countries worldwide.
Is it available online as well?
Yes, it is available online right now on
Through your website?
uncapskincare.com.
Ma'am, please introduce
Namaste.
yourself.
I am Sheetal Dupewala, co-owner at Alveo Pharmaceutical and the CMO of the brand Uncap. Today we have unveiled our OTC segment under the brand Uncap Modern Skincare.
Before we finish, I want to ask you, how will you describe beauty and where does Uncap come into that?
Beauty, if I need to talk about beauty, beauty is selfless. It is not only what you look from outside. The beauty lies within. The smile on your face, a compliment to another person is beauty for me.
So where does Uncap appear in that?
Uncap is not a beauty segment. It is a skincare segment where we try.
From within you rejuvenate.
Right. So basically the beauty, if I have a acne, I might be not confident in front of the screen. But yes, if I use the Uncap anti-acne gel, I might be confident. So basically after you may use Uncap products and be confident and feel comfortable in your own real skin.
And how many products are there under your umbrella?
We have launched 17 products in under 5 segments today. Nutraceutical by Hydro supplements. Then we have anti-aging, which is Rewind series. We have anti-acne, which is Smooth series. Then we have moisturizing and brightening lotions, and we have then Sun Guard.
And what is the near future plan?
So as I said, skincare is not static, right? So we will definitely come up with new segment. Our hair care products are under R&D already. We are working on 6 products right now. So soon we are trying to launch 30 more products this year.
You were also speaking about some capsules or
Capsules, we are talking about hydro supplements, which are nutraceutical based. Those are not externally to be applied external. Those are supplements which you take with water. Those are effervescent tablets and hydro mix potions.
so in the future we are going to expect a lot more from Uncap.
Definitely. Please be
More to Uncap. Huh?
more to Uncap.
Thank you. All the best.
I'm Abhishek Khaitan, GM, Sales and Admin and Operations here in Alveo Pharmaceuticals. So So we have taken up this brand Uncap with a ambitious vision. This brand is clinically driven, science background. We have a range of products. Looking forward to you to have our product in scale.
How
Thank
many
you.
products have you launched?
So we have launched 17 products that are all catered into hydration segment, clinically driven segment, anti-aging, products with niacinamide, every range is covered here in Uncap.
And which states you are introducing?
So we
this
have
to?
introduced in 6 states: Bengal, Bihar, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, and Northeast.
And it is available online as well.
Yes. So our website has revealed today. So it is available in website as well as all in online channels platforms.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So we are launching a total of 17 products as part of the first line of Uncap that assure results and nothing else. They are targeted both at Gen Z and millennials, okay, and caters to their individual everyday need in skincare. Our most precious product in the line is the Advanced Age Repair Cream with stem cells and NMN that rejuvenates your aging cells and leaves you looking younger and hydrated, and also prevents photo aging, जो हम in time, like my natural skin. This product is part of Uncap's Rewind series, and other products in this series are Age Defying Under Eye Cream, Age Defying Face Cream, Age Defying Facial Cleanser. While this series is for women like me, we have something extra special for the younger women. The Smooth series. Smooth series is designed for the sensitive acne-prone skin. Of course, anyone can use it, but especially we knew that the Gen Z, the younger population has these issues very commonly. So it has been specially designed for them. It includes anti-acne cream, anti-acne PM gel, anti-acne face cleanser, and morning bloom anti-acne moisturizer. It's called Smooth for a reason. So try it and let us know.